Hello, entrepreneur. It's the age-old question: CPA versus bookkeeper. Most people don't even know the difference, and like I always say, that's the reason I started my business. And I have to admit, doing my business is an uphill journey because I am educating, informing, and saving businesses all at the same time. Most people only know about CPAs, certified public accountants, and they are wonderful and they do their job well. Their job is mostly tax preparation, tax planning, tax strategies, and things like that. Long before you need tax planning, tax strategies, and tax savings that really for the clients that are really worth their while, because a real CPA is going to charge you upwards at 125 or plus an hour. Long before you even need those type of services, you must have a business that is thriving or be a person who makes six figures. So you going to a CPA is not always something that's going to happen. That's why you need bookkeeping services. Bookkeeping services are essential for a small business. And CPAs will send you to bookkeepers. They'll tell you, well, I don't do bookkeeping, but you need to see one. The bookkeeper is the person who looks at your books every month. You've worked in a corporation before, and what you're used to or accustomed to is an accounting department. An accounting department in a large corporation will have someone who does accounts receivable. That means that they collect all of the money that's coming in. That means that they post that money, deposit it, and post it or record it in a software. Whether the software is QuickBooks, whether the software is Peachtree or Yardi or any of those. They will post it. The accounts payable is the person or the people or the department that will pay out the bills. They look at the budget, they look at the bank account, and they make sure that they pay the bills, but they still leave a good cash flow. Without cash flow, you will miss opportunities to invest or to take or to seize an opportunity because you don't have the money to invest. Most businesses pay their invoices on a 30-day basis. They'll pay the net in 30 days, and usually a company will offer you 10% if you pay it early. All of those decisions are made through that accounting department. They're looking at everything. At the end of the month, you always hear people talk about month end. Well, in bookkeeping, just like you would in accounting, you have month end where everything is brought together. At the beginning of the month, your bank will issue you a bank statement. That bookkeeper will go in and reconcile your bank account. Reconciling a bank account is very important, as well as all your credit cards. It's just one more way, it's a method of security. It allows you to make sure that everything that went through your account in that month was really a legitimate charge. It's going to place a category on it. So it'll say this was for meals and entertainment, this was for travel, or this was something necessary to do the business. You need all of that information. At the end of the month, beginning of the next month, most corporations, all managers get reports. If you're a large company, those reports are itemized by department so you can see what your department bought in. If you are just a support department, then it will show what you spent out, and managers can make decisions about increasing the cost of their product, whether or not they have to let someone go. All of those decisions come from the reports that they receive on a monthly basis. That way you are not going an entire year without knowing what your business is doing. That's not only irresponsible, but it's not smart at all. It's the opposite of intelligent. It doesn't make sense to do things for a whole year and bring it to someone at the end of the year and go, hey, save me taxes. It's too late. That's not how this works. So before you get to the CPA, you need a good bookkeeper that you trust, that you respect, that you submit your information to timely, and that you have a monthly meeting to understand the reports that you are paying for, essentially. So when they ask you bookkeeper or CPA, if you've listened to my video, if you're learning, you'll say both. It's been your girl, the queen bee of doing business better, helping you to do just that. Do your business better.